So hello, we're back to our lesson 2 or module 2. So in lesson 2, we're talking about solving rational equations and inequalities. So how do you solve algebraic expression? So what are the different properties you need to apply to solve problems involving rational equations and inequalities? Sige daw, how are you going to solve this one? Never mind. So we have here the solution. I guess we have here our solution, but in this module, this is the solutions. You know that there are so many ways and showing your solutions. Just follow the rules in mathematics. Alright, so we have here the given example, x minus 2 over x squared minus 4. So first thing is we factor the denominator. So how we factor that one? This is a special square. Yes, so we have here x minus 2, x plus 2. So there are ways on how to factor, diba? So next is cancel the common factor. So we have here the same as x minus 2, then the denominator is x minus 2. So write the simplified rational expression. So we have now 1 over x plus 2. So quite simple, right? Okay, next let's have steps in multiplying rational expressions. So we're going to multiply. First thing is you're going to factor the denominators, or not only the denominator, including the numerator, because when you factor it, it's bungkag, so it's easy for you to know what is the common factors in the numerator and the denominator. So we have now we factor x squared minus 1. There you go. And you have here 3x squared plus x. So we factor this one. Alright, we have here this solution. Next, so just copy. Okay. Multiply the numerator, the same thing, multiply the denominator. Then cancel out all common factors. So we have the same 3x plus 1 and this 3x plus 1. Alright. Then we have x plus 1 here. Diba? Then we also have x plus 1. So we cancel out the numerator here. That's why we only have 1. Okay? That's why we only have 1 here in the numerator. Then what's left? We have x and x minus 1. So we just copy it. So we have now the simplified rational expression. Okay? So that's it. The clue there is you need to factor. By the way, this is addition. Steps in addition or subtraction. Okay. Since they have the same denominator, we can just simply copy this one as x minus 8. And then we add the 2. So 5x plus 1 plus 3x plus 4. Then you combine like terms. So we have here 5x. So we move 3x beside 5x because they are like terms. And it's easier for us to solve. So 5x plus 3x, we have 8x. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then you copy the denominator. So that is how to add a rational expression. Maybe you have your own way in solving this one, but this is much more easier. Okay, well, let's have the subtraction. So again, we cannot factor anymore the numerator, then we can factor the denominator. Factor x squared minus 4. So we have x minus 2 and x plus 2. Then you also factor also this denominator. We have x minus 2 and x minus 3. Then you combine our LCD. So we have here, we have x minus 2 and x minus 2 both sides. We are just going to write only 1, okay? Then we have x plus 2. Then we also have x minus 3. Again, that's why we only have 1x minus 2 because LCD, they're just the same. And then you multiply both sides by this. Okay? Now see, 6 times the LCD. So you're going to multiply because it will not fit. So we have here 6 times x minus 2. Wait. Can't erase this one. This is 6. We are out with, diba, in the denominator we have x minus 1, x plus 2. I'm just going to copy it here. Wait, 6 over x minus 2, x plus 2. Okay. Then minus 2 over x minus 2, and then x minus 3. Okay. So we're going to multiply this one with our LCD. We have x minus 2, x plus 2, and x minus 3. So in this first one here, so we have x minus 2. I'm going to make use of red. Red is 1. And this blue, this green one is 2. Alright, so let's go back to red. So in 1, yes, in 1, so we're going to cancel this one out, then we are left with 6 times x minus 3, then you copy the denominator x minus 2 over x plus 2. No, because it's already cancelled, why we copy? No, it's already cancelled, yeah. Next, let's go to green. So we have here x minus 2, then x minus 3. So we are left with x plus 2, so minus 2 over x plus 2. Okay, then let's go back to black. Then we answered 6x minus 18. 18 over, remember we are over with LCD here, so x minus 2 over x plus 2, x minus 3. Okay, simplify, just distribute. Minus, okay, negative 2x, then negative 4. Okay, over again the LCD, which is x minus 2, x plus 2, and then x minus 3. Okay, so simplify like terms. Okay, so we have now 6x minus 2x. We have negative 18, negative 4 over the LCD, which is x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 3. So we cannot cancel this because we don't have the same factor in the numerator. So we just have the final answer for this one. So we have now equals to 6x minus 2x, that is 4x. So we have negative 18, negative 4, so they are both utang. So nadagdagan 18 plus 4, that is negative 22. Over the LCD, we have x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 3. Okay, so we have now this answer. Okay, so that's how you do it, this answer. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now let's proceed to solving rational equations and inequalities. Refer to your module. Okay, refer to your module. We have now first example. You have this x minus 3 over x squared minus 25 plus 1 over x plus 5 over is equals to 1 over x minus 5. So as you can see here, we're first thing that you're going to have is the LCD. Again, this one can be factored, so you factor it first. Okay, so we have x plus 5 and x minus 5, right? So since we have here x plus 5 and this one are the same, so we have here and also x minus 5 and x minus 6. So that's why we have this LCD. Next, multiply both sides, the same thing that what we did here. I'm going to multiply both sides. Okay, going to multiply both sides. Let me just simplify it here. Okay, So we have here x plus 5. That is our LCD, and x minus 5 multiplied to our equation here, this one. So we have here x minus 3 over x plus 5 and x minus 5. That's why I told you that it's easier if it is already factored. Then 1 over x plus 5 is equals to 1 over x minus 5. Okay? So here we also have x plus 5 and x minus 5. Okay, so by this, so we are going to start with this one. Let's have blue 1, and let's have this green one here. And this one, red one for this side. Okay, start with blue. So we have here the same. So what is left is only x minus 3. Let's go to green. What is left? X minus 5, x minus 5. So what is left is plus, 1 multiplied to this, that is just simply x minus 5, right? What happened to my 5? So we pas mas simple, so 1 times x minus 5. Why did I win this one? I'm sorry. Wait. Oh my god. X minus 5. Should be the other one. Alright. There you go. So what is left is x minus 5. Then let's move to red. Red is this one. So we have x minus 5. So we are left with equals to 1 times x plus 5. Then we simplify. Okay, so we simplify x minus 3 plus x minus 5 equals to x plus 5. Okay, simplify again. Alright, so x here, x plus. Why do we have equal sign here? Okay, so we have here x plus x. So we have here minus x. Where did this minus x came from here? This one. This one is this, like that. And then you transfer this one to the other side. That is 3. The same thing, since it is negative, transfer to the other side. Or what is that? To make it 0, diba? If you're going to you are going to add 3 here to make it 0, then you add 3 on the other side, diba? The same thing as negative 5, you add 5 to the other side, and then you add 5 also to the other side. Okay, so no need to transfer this plus 5 because it's already in the right side. So 3 plus 5 plus 5. They're just the same, though they are not in the same order. So we have x plus x to x minus x. So we have x is equals to 13. So we have here 13. Now in checking, you just substitute 13 in the value of x. So you can see here, this x is substituted by 13. Same thing here, 13 and 13, and this one is also. So check, they're equal, so no extraneous root. Okay, so that is how you're going to have a equation, rational equation. Let's have this example number 2. You try example number 2. Okay, example number 2. You try to solve it this year. What is your LCD? Sige daw, what's your LCD? So this is, we're going to factor this one. So x plus 1, x minus 1. So what is your LCD? Yes, that's correct. So we have x plus 1, we have x minus 1, and 2. So that is your LCD. You can now proceed to the next step and just keep on practicing. So let's see if you got it the correct answer. So again, this is the LCD. Try to answer this one. How about this example number 3? it's very long. All right, so it's very long, so I'm just going to have a part 2 for this video. So keep in touch, and if you have questions, just comment to the section below or PM. Okay,